Hey, what's up, guys? It's Never Paul from fashionnairedevlabs. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about extend directive, and extend directive allows you to share style between different selectors in your sass stat. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a button where I'll share the style with the extend directive in another class. So I'll create a class known as button, and a class known as primary, and another class known as default, and another class known as main. So it will these different types of class will inherit the other styles by using extend. So I'll just go straight to the code and show you how it works. So I'll just come here and go to my HTML. Inside my div container, I'll create another button. Inside my button, I will give it a class of button, which is default. Then I will give it a class of primary, just like that. So the other classes I just create, type it will be button, and value give it like just button. Okay, sorry, button, and I'll close the tag. So what I'll do, I'll just save my file, then come to my app.css. Then inside my app.css, I'm gonna import these params, and inside our params it will be containing our classes, where I'll be defining like dot button. Then I'll make sure, last time we tackled about maps, so I'll just create a map here which will hold my colors. So map, then I give it a color of place primary, give it a value of let's say silver. Then I say main, I give a color of orange red. Then lastly, I say warning, I'll give it a color of, say red, because it's a warning. So inside my button, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to style like a button. I'll give it a height. You can declare your variables, or you can just use this 50 pixel, and width I'll just use 100 pixel. Then that's done for the button. Then inside our button, okay, this will be, let me just call it default btn. Then inside our button, just want to show you guys how we use extend. So I'll just write let's say I'll just give it a border 0 pixel. I don't want any border. Then I'll just do this during on focus, and when it's active. What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to say outline hidden. I don't want to outline, so I just give it a border radius 1 pixel. Okay, let's say 4 pixel, and it's all done. Then what it's going to do, it will going to extend. So I'll use the extend directive. Extend. Then we call the class like default button, and we close the tag. So the next thing, I'll just go to primary. Inside of primary, I'm just going to give it a color of, I showed you guys the other tutorial how we're going to use we use map and get values inside our map here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do this. Let's say you can use if statement so that you can validate if it's there. So I just use if. What it's going to do, if map has key, which is the map and the key, let's say primary,